little dice and soon to be big dice. But it's not going to be just a dice used for games, it's actually going to be used for something else. Stick around and I'll show you what. And some of them have poked into other holes, and that's okay. It's still got its strength, so you could put it's still got its strength, or you can use it as the dice as well. So how cool is that? I can put the pencil in like that, and I guarantee you no one else will have something like this on their office desk. If you've only got one pencil, well, it's okay, you can go like that.